Okay guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can tie two DPH portables together to create a little back-to-back repeater um, using a little mobile duplexer so I can share one antenna. And let me give you a little close-up. I got the RF adapter cables coming in to the sides. I have my receive modification. The cable's coming in through the back screw hole. That gives me access to get in there without disturbing anything. Um, the transmit radio, there's no modifications to it at all. Just using a little lapel mic thing and a improvised hole here that I cut out for the RF cable. And I'm going to go over the little hookups in the radios here in just a second, but just wanted to give you a visual. This is a thing I'm going to show you on power supply here. Testing 1 2 3 4, and it works good. So I was happy with the outcome here. So let me switch over to the schematic and I'll show you how to put it together. So stand by. Okay guys, let's have a look at the receiver here where all the modifications are done. All you're going to do is need to add one wire going over to the J8 options board, pin 2, to get your receive audio. And for your push to talk, you're going to need to remove R59 and then tack on a 10k ohm resistor to U1 pin 6 on the systems board. Now this is very small components, so you kind of really need to have precision soldering equipment and to kind of know what you're doing. If you don't try it, because it's just too small and you'll mess up the chip and you won't be able to get the result you're looking for. But if you have good soldering skills, and it's really not that hard, I can still do it. I'm not a master solderer by any stretch. But after you remove this R59, like I said, you're just going to tack on a little, I just use a little piece of wire. It's a little for doing projects, very, very tiny, skinny, and I route it to where after I tack it on, it'll have no mechanical pressure to want to come off. So it's not going to be breaking its joint here anytime. And then I mount the 10k ohm resistor further away from the actual connection to where there's, like I said, no mechanical stress. And then I just bring those two wires out of the hole where the screw hole goes. You can take out the little insulated strip, the barrier there for the screw, and the cable just goes right through. And on the lapel mic accessory connector thing over here, I got a little 2N 2222 transistor and the 22k ohm for the mic high snuck inside that little connector, with the RF connector going through the center of it here. These are super commonly available components, no trouble there. And I'm using the same kind of mobile duplexer I've used in the last few videos. And I'm going to recommend an RFS BA1012. It's a really good antenna, and it's small and easy to mount, and you don't need a ground plane. So, but whatever antenna you got, it's fine. You know, depending on what you're using it for. But this is becoming my favorite antenna. But anyway, this is this schematic of it, and no big surprises here. Just realize that anything that you do on this radio here that would cause sound to come out, like changing channels, any of that kind of stuff, is going to activate the push to talk here. So you might want to just keep this radio turned off until you get all completely set up over here, and you're done changing channels and everything's where you want to be. So Okay, well, I hope you make use of these DPHs and don't just let them sit there and go to waste. All right, we'll talk to you soon.